Good afternoon, this is Brent Crandall with the Blind Depot. I want to show you something really cool that we've been working on today. If you notice, this is kind of a north exposure, but this is west, and so we can get a lot of intense sun there, and at certain points of the day it really encroaches on our little seating area right here. Right now it's not too bad. This video is not as much to show you what the cool thing we did as to show you not to be too afraid of color. So we're going to pop out this awning here really quick. Now this is a Corradi awning. It's actually called an Evo SC semi-cassette, and this customer did it in a really bright color. So it is orange. So this extends, this is 16 feet wide, and it will extend out about 13.5 feet. So in the afternoon, when that really intense sun comes, and especially later in the year around the summertime when the prevalent sun is a little bit farther north in the sky, this will actually block out a lot of sun, and it will shade that area. I'm going to go under it and show you. You can check Google Maps here in about a year or so, and you'll probably end up seeing this thing on the map. I think you could probably signal the space shuttle with this thing. So I'm going to hop down off my ladder here really quick. I'm going to show you the underside. We'll go out on the other side, and it does give a little bit of an orange cast. But everyone at this table can be covered from some pretty intense sun. So it's a bit of a process to get these installed. We had about 4 people out here working to get this one up just because of the weight. But if you want us to do this for your home, we can definitely do that. Give us a call. Our number is 972-644-9411. If you want us to do this for you, you can also find us at blinddepotdfw.com. And if you don't know what the DFW stands for, you are probably out of our service area. Y'all have a great afternoon.